Recently, Xiaomi has been released their new device such as Xiaomi 12S, Xiaomi 12S Pro, and Xiaomi S Ultra. But for those of you that own the Android devices, like the older Android or any other, and you want to get a stock wallpaper from a Xiaomi 12S series, you can go ahead and follow this video. I can recommend this app. It's called Page Walls. It is free on the Play Store, or you can go ahead and click on the link in my video description, and then you're gonna be able to download this app, and you can see it appear on the top here. We have Xiaomi 12S wallpaper, all of these. So let's say I want to get this one, just tap on it and then click on the save button right there, and now it has been saved into your gallery. Now what you're gonna do is go back into your gallery right here, and then you're gonna find a new wallpaper that you have just saved, and then you should be able to set it as a wallpaper, just like that. It is very simple. Now let me apply a moment, and now let's go back here, and you can see we get this amazing Xiaomi 12S series wallpaper for your Android device. And that's it, and I hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.